up, everybody? It's me. I'm just vlogging back again. Also, I got a new haircut. So yeah. And if you look outside, it's a beautiful rainy day as usual. But yeah. So we're about to go to the store, and then we're going to go get my friend Andrew. Probably. I don't know. And then we're going back here probably, because I've got nothing better to do with my life. Yo, Yo, I got a new dog too. Check this out. Charlie! Charlie! Yo, Charlie's out front. Charlie! What are you doing? Oh, shit. Getting the phone wet. Hit the store. Okay, well, he's outside. I don't know. He just... trying to see if I can... There he is. Yeah, he's out there. And the phone that I'm using right now to record this is a new phone. I used to use this one for the other video, my 3 other videos that I did, but I got this new one. I can't show you because it's stupid, but yeah. So Charlie's still out there. Yep. Well, this was just a short vlog, but I guess I'll check in later. Peace. LoganPaul.com/shop.